Welcome back to this video. If you use Google Photo on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see 3 new features that you can use to free up more storage space in your Google Store app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store right here. You haven't opened up your Play Store. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here and type in search app. So I'm going to simply type in Google Photo. Google Photo. Then click on search. And it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on photo right here. Google Photo. So it's going to take you right here. Now, first thing first, if you have not downloaded the updates of the Google Photo, it is very much important to download the update. And for you to do that, simply click on the update right here. And once you update your Google Photo app, then you can simply click on here and see some of the new features right here. Now, there are 3 features that was released by Google Photo. So these are the details about the feature that was released right here. We are introducing a new storage management tool to help you easily manage the photos that count toward your storage quota. This tool will surface photos or videos video you might want to delete, like blur photo, screenshot, or large videos. Okay, so these are the 3 features that you need to take into consideration in order to free up more storage space in your Google Photo. And let's see how we can simply explore the tool. I'm going to simply go back right here. Then I'll simply open up my Google Photo right here. I'm going to click on here. Then after you open up your Google Photo, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to manage storage. Then it's going to take you right here. Now you can see the features right here. Large photos and videos, blur photo, and the screenshot. These are the major 3 updates that we can use to free more storage space on our Google Photo. First thing I'm going to simply click on large photo and video and take me right here. Here you have all the large photos and video which you can simply delete as many as possible in order to free up more storage space. So if I select on this particular one right here, you can see you can select as many as possible. Once you select them, simply click on move to trash and then click on move to trash. The next one right here is going to take you right here. Keep going to make space for new memory. Next one right here is to simply click on clean up blur photos. So you have all the blur photo right here. You can select as many as possible blur photo that you would like to move to trash. So having selected them, click on move to trash. Then click on move to trash. So the very last one here is clean up screenshot. So simply click on that. They take you to all the screenshots you have on your phone and your Google storage. So you can select as many as possible screenshots that you would like to delete. So I'm going to click and hold down and select this. I will simply move to trash and click on move to trash. You can do as many as possible in order to free up more storage space. So because I select a few photos and few videos, I was able to save about 9.3 megabytes. Everything depends on the number of photos and the videos that you have on your storage that will determine the number of storage space you are going to save. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video and you find these new features amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.